In this video I gonna show how to edit green screen video in a Premiere Pro. So watch the full tutorial. I edit step by step green screen video. So let's go. First of all, I came the project in a Premiere Pro and then right click, go to the on link and remove the audio, and then I add audio effects. So this is the video and cut, Control K and then cut extra part, and then I add a background. So this is my background. And then go to effects and search Ultra key and drop it down and the video Ultra key, and then go to effects control and then select the key color, and then I resize a background.